So I'll see this now. Right. So here is where you feed the inks. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Remove this here, this for protection. Open this, yes. Release this. Then one more thing. Bring the ink roller out to the center. Press the one. Once this one finished, you don't do again. Press this sideways. It shoots out. Then bring this blue stuff, press it down to go up, and then you pull this out. So this has no use. This has no use after the setup.
Because some people like that some people like, if you give this now, you go back and get one refill, they go tell us where you go buy. They just wait till originally, come with that.
This is the feeder, or if you like to call it the drum. This sucks the black from this side.
What's the sign?
What is this? It has instead of one, it has 3 X spots. You see this? Oh, you're not even down this stuff. Yeah, that's it. So how much?
This is
8,000 pages. 8,000 pages. Plus, you have 2 extra blacks. So that's having for 18,000 pages. Why the colors 8,000? This one is Aveno ink.
I see kind of why can't come because when they do advert, they will print your photo. They sell market. Now HP can invest, man.
Okay, cannot on day.
So feel this now. Yeah.
Like I think I record in my. Okay.
No, I thought you to watch this one now.
So close the cap, as you see here, pull it out, and then close the cap again, open it, and then feed it. Feed it like a baby. You see the level of the ink coming up slowly. It's coming up slowly. So that's how. So if it goes down, you also see that your ink is going down, and then you refill. One bottle should fill the tank. Yes, that might remember to close your cap. You don't close it here when that remember to close your pack. Yes. 6,000 naira.
We want black printer for us. I will tell them maybe to do it.
So this is filling. One paper, please.
Everybody be connected that you don't get as you take some other people for connecting.
No, passworded.
Okay, I can use computer password.
Yeah.
Passworded. You release. There's a blue stuff here.
Okay.
Push it to the end, and then fill the paper.
And you can use it to scan back.
Yes, this is the stand. This is the copy. Just place whatever you want to scan or copy on the glass.
And I can photocopy.
Then you can photocopy. This is the button for black copy, color copy, and then this is for. Sorry, this is for black copy. This is for color copy. Then this is for resume. This is for cancel. Resume, cancel. Wireless information. Yes, if you want to print out the wireless information, I just click. I'll print it out. Now you see how I do. Yeah. So the first page is coming out. That is the alignment page. So now what the printer is doing, you can see the R blinking here. This R means refilling. It is sucking the ink from this tank to that stuff in center. Yes. So this is the alignment page. So once this finished printing, just put it back here as if you want to photocopy it and press the color copy. Don't worry, it will not copy it. It will only scan it.
Okay.
Yes, it's going to scan it. Once it's finished, this light will stop blinking. Then you know it's done. This is the only time you're going to do an alignment, unless you buy new inks. Yes.
Okay. But next time, just
Yes.
So anytime I buy new ink, it will be like that.
It will print out new.
Cartridge.
Yes, it will print out the
Cartridge they
alignment.
did like how much?
777 88885. So it's done. So we are done here. Now
make a wireless connection.
we are going to do the wireless. Now this is how it shows. This is just wireless on. For you to use your phone, you need to put it on wireless direct. So what you do is press this button again. 1. You can see the sign of wireless direct is out now. That means it's now wireless direct, but the Wi-Fi button is off. So you press it again. Once it comes on, you can now connect with your phone. So let's connect to the phone. So I'll show you.